Let's make a new project. Vertical 1080p 60 fps. Tap on plus icon. Media. Select the file for the project. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the project. Now we need to add a circular shape. Press and hold on one of the corners. Drag it to increase the size of the shape. Select border and shadow. Enable the stroke. Move the slider to increase the stroke size. Go back. Select color and fill. Disable the fill color. Now we have only the stroke. Select the shape layer again. Then click on this button. Duplicate the layer. Select the new layer. Border and shadow. Stroke color. This will be the mid background of our progress bar. Reduce the stroke size. Go back. Duplicate the layer. Select the new layer. Border and shadow. Same stroke color. Now this will be our original progress bar color. Go back. Go to the end of the project, or you can say our progress bar duration. Now select all of the shape layers one by one. Then click on this button to adjust the duration. Go back. Select copy to layer, effects, add effect, drawing and edge. From here, select the drawing progress. Standard setting. Select the end, make a keyframe. Move to the end of the clip. Make another keyframe. Move to the start. Change the end value to 0. Let's change the stroke color so that we can see everything clearly. We are almost done. As you can see, our progress bar is already working. Now tab and hold on one of the shape layers. Select all of the 3 layers. Now click on this upper button to make a group. Now we can easily scale or place our circular progress bar anywhere we want. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.